Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make and create TNT in Gardenscapes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into so yeah guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Gardenscapes guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and log into your account and get started playing. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and click on the play button after you have logged into your account. So this will take us to the next screen where we can see our garden and we can get started with playing. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to get TNT. So guys, the first thing you want to do to be able to get TNT is start playing the mini games. So go ahead guys and start playing your mini games by playing in Gardenscapes. And after that, now we'll get to the screen where we can go ahead and get started playing. So as you can see, we can match multiple options guys. And the way to be able to get TNT is you need to match 7 of the same objects. So yeah guys, basically you need to have 7 of the same objects, exploded one, and this will give you TNT, and TNT is going to make a huge blast in your radius and help you complete your level, but you have to go ahead and match 7 objects. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.